and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a totally random haul that I wanted to share with all of you. It was recently my birthday and I had a lot of birthday rewards and coupons that I wanted to use, as well as I wanted to start getting into fall fashion and picking up some cute items for fall. So I have a lot of things from H&M, Bath & Body Works, Loft, something from Erie, and a couple miscellaneous things. So if you like hauls, if you like fashion videos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So first, let's start with what I picked up from H&M. Sometimes H&M is like fire, and I walk in there and I love everything that I see, and sometimes I walk in there and I'm like, ew, I would never buy anything, but this is one of those fire days. And first I picked up this plaid scarf. It's gray and white with a little bit of black, really cute, and I got it for $5. It was on sale. I think the original price, it says, was $17.99, so you really can't beat that. I remember last year I was like really cold, and in the winter I was like looking for scarves and I had none. I must have given like all of my scarves away or something, because I could not find one single scarf to my name. So I actually like really needed this. I also picked up this really cute leopard skirt. It's I would say, I think this is midi. I think it's a midi skirt, but I just picked this up. I thought it would be super cute to wear with sneakers for the fall, and it seems like leopard and print is still in, so I'm going to be wearing it because I like it. I also got this black turtleneck that I could possibly wear with it. It's thinner and perfect for early fall, and it was only $9.99, so I thought it was a nice basic staple to have in my wardrobe. I also picked one up in this cream color, and I really like this one. I feel like I'll get a ton of use out of it. It's just really stretchy, comfy material, and I thought I could even wear it with this dress potentially. And this is sort of this brown and gray pattern plaid. I am loving the plaid. Apparently equestrian is kind of back in style, so I think this would look really cute with some over-the-knee boots, and I'm just totally vibing with this. I feel like it's also pretty versatile, that I could, you know, kind of dress this up and wear this to the office for work, or I could make it a little bit more casual and wear it on a date night with my boyfriend. So I was really pleased with everything that I picked up at H&M. Next, let's get into Bath & Body Works. I had a 20% off coupon, and I love Bath & Body Works fall scents, so I always have to pick up their soaps for fall. I also had this free birthday reward from them, and I got Fall in Bloom, a little mini shower gel that I love for travel. These really come in handy, and I typically go on a lot of trips every year. I have a couple coming up, so I definitely wanted to stop by and get this. And these will last me pretty much all fall, so I got the pumpkin cupcake soap. Very classic, very sweet, and vanilla-y, little hint of pumpkin in it. I got sweet cinnamon pumpkin, which is again kind of similar to that, but not as sweet. I got pumpkin apple. This is like my favorite fall scented soap. I just love it. It's very crisp and refreshing. I did pick this up in a candle last year, and I didn't like the candle version as much. Isn't that weird how like certain scents go better in soaps or shower gels or candles? I feel like they don't all translate the same way. Golden citrus and vanilla. This looks new, and the packaging is like really mature. I really like this peach color, and I've never used this scent before, so I'm excited to see what it smells like. And then finally I got white pumpkin, which is another classic. I've had this one several times. I've had it in the candle as well. I think it kind of smells like a craft store. I went into Erie to use my birthday reward. I had a 20% off coupon, and I believe this bra was like 40% off, and I ended up getting it for like $11.49 or something, which is crazy, but it's just this like lime green color in the sunny. I love this bra from Erie. It's my favorite one. It's just very comfortable to wear, and I was like, I don't really care that it's lime green. This is a cheap bra, good quality, I'm gonna buy it. I got some things from the Loft Outlet. It's been a hot minute since I shopped at Loft. I feel like during COVID I kind of stopped going there because I didn't really need work things. But again, for my birthday, I had a $10 reward, and you only had to spend $10 to be able to use the reward. So like that's a no-brainer. So I just picked up some like cheap stuff. I picked up a pair of these crew socks, this red plaid. I'm really digging the plaid, as you guys can see, and I know I'll get use out of these. And I also got a pair of these aviator sunglasses. I actually got the same pair earlier in the summer, but they got kind of scratched up with travel and everything. So got a new pair for myself, and for both of these items I only had to pay $1.62 since I had the reward. You can't even get a coffee for $1.62 these days. Use your Loft birthday reward, guys. And then finally I did pick up an Este Lauder Double Wear Foundation at the cosmetics company. These are, I think, 30 or 40% off the retail price depending on whenever you go. So I got this for $30, so I saved some money and I got my favorite foundation. But anyway, that wraps up my fun intro to fall haul, we shall call it. I definitely have some more videos coming up with fall fashion and things like that, so be sure that you're subscribed. I'm also going to be traveling to Chicago, so there will be another travel vlog up shortly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!